This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Headlight bulbs. Turn the steering wheel so the wheel is pointing away from the access panel under the front of the wheel arch. Unclip the panel and rest it on the top of the wheel. Reach in and remove the rubber cap from the rear of the headlight. Rotate the bulb holder anti-clockwise to release the bayonet fitting, then withdraw the bulb holder from the light unit. Disconnect the bulb from the holder. You may need to use a flat-bladed screwdriver to gently lever the metal base of the bulb from the metal bracket of the bulb holder. Fit a new bulb to the bulb holder, taking care to avoid touching the glass with your skin. Wear protective gloves if possible. Turn the bulb holder clockwise to lock it in position. Refit the rubber cap to the rear of the headlight. Refit the access panel, making sure it's secured in place. Pull the bonnet release handle in the driver's footwell. Release the secondary catch, open the bonnet and support it with the bonnet stay. Remove the inner plastic cover from the rear of the headlight. Disconnect the wiring connector from the rear of the bulb. Press the retaining spring clip forward and pivot the clip off the bulb. Lift the bulb out of the unit. Fit the new bulb to the headlight unit and secure it with the spring clip. Reconnect the wiring connector and refit the plastic cover.